We don't care if the price go up or go down. As long as we are managing our position, we will make money. We are using put credit spreads. I made $217 and it was a very successful strategy for me. So for this week, I am planning also to make more money. So this is my weekly put credit spreads. If I want to close it right now, because now is Monday and the market is open. If I want to close it right now, I need to pay about, let's see, we are going to pay debit to close our put credit spreads. From this one I get about $70. So now if I want to close it, I need to pay around $99, I think. So of course I will not do that because it has more time, and more time will pass, the put credit spreads will become cheaper, and that's the beauty of this strategy, put credit spreads. I have about 4 more days for it to expire, as you will see right now. So we will give it more time, and we will see what will happen in the end of this trading day. And as you can see, this is the end of this trading day. We are in the red because the price of SPY has dropped. And if I want to close this put credit spreads, I need to pay about $121. And of course I will not do that because we will lose money, and we have 4 more days for this put credit spreads to expire, and every day pass it will become cheaper. This is the most beautiful thing about this trade, put credit spreads. I love this strategy. The price now is $718. If you like this content, subscribe.